What's going on, everybody? Right here in the morning, have to put back the chain guard right here. I had to go buy a little packet of screws because when I was riding mid-ride, the chain guard came loose. I lost a screw. Where's that? Oh shoot! Yeah, I lost a screw with the chain guard go. You can't see where in mid-ride it was rubbing all in here, all at the top, dragging, rubbing. I didn't realize that till maybe about 2-3 miles into the ride. I felt something weird, but I didn't pay attention to it. Till somebody told me they seen it flapping in the wind. But other than that, maybe another 2 to 3 weeks, I'm gonna take the bike to the shop. I'm getting the engine swapped out, built. I think it's at 212, getting the motor redone, built. Governor delete, exhaust, the carburetor, new clutch. This is, yeah, it's one of those little little bikes. It's a FRP bikes, but it's cool. It's cool. All I don't like about the little the FRP stickers, they kind of like come off. They don't really stick to the finish too well. But other than that, the ride's cool. I added a little light in the back, another little light in the front for now, but I ordered it with the light but never received it in the box. But other than that, the one thing about, if you look up on their website, they have front tires, but I couldn't order a back tire. They sell the rims and everything. But something with the rear tire was on back order, but I sourced another tire, and I didn't just buy this one, I bought one more. And I still have the original front tire, but these tires I got now is way more better than the ones what comes on the bike. But other than that, I'm gonna give you guys another update soon. I'm going to install the chain guard. Alright, everybody, got it mounted back on. Put the screws back on. Put the new screw right here, right there, and I put the black one up here. But other than that, put the chain guard back on. I'll make another video when I take it outside. I'm gonna do a startup.